Hello guys, today we are talking about the Logan Paul and KSI fight. If you're wondering why I'm talking about this was the most stupidest move you can do. Getting personal with someone who is like Logan Paul, who can do wrestling, is not a genius move if you don't do sports when you were in high school. Because people who do sports in high school are the most concentrated people in the world. They are the most disciplined ones. So you should not mess with someone like that. Especially if you're fighting him in boxing, because boxing you can be pretty much brain damage after the fight. So KSI did the most horrible move and made it personal for Logan Paul because he was talking about the relationship with Chloe Bennett. And Chloe Bennett is, I think, their official right now. I am not sure, but this would be the most stupidest move by KSI because he does not do boxing in real life. So goodbye. This is the only thing I'm going to say for now.